Hi everyone, I'm Joannah with Tulip Medical Products. At Tulip, we understand that mentorship has always been at the heart of medicine, learning directly from those who shape the field. That's why we created our See and Do Master Bundles, to bring that mentorship experience directly to you. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Tonnard Verpaele See and Do Master Bundle, a unique opportunity to learn from the pioneers of nanofat grafting while using the very instruments they trust in their own practice. This exclusive bundle includes the Tonnard Verpaele Set, developed in collaboration with Dr. Patrick Tonnard and Dr. Alexis Verpaele, leaders in regenerative medicine and facial rejuvenation. With this bundle, you'll receive 2 in-depth training videos where Drs. Tonnard and Verpaele demonstrate their proven techniques for harvesting, processing, and injecting nanofat using the same instruments included in your bundle. You won't just see their process, you'll be able to replicate it with precision and confidence, using the exact tools they rely on for consistent, superior regenerative outcomes. Inside the set, you'll find 1 Tumescent infiltrator, 1 Tonnard harvester, 2 Tulip micro-injectors, 1 60cc snap lock, 1 20cc snap lock, 1 nanofat set with sterile cartridges, plus a starting supply of consumables. Everything you'd need for harvesting, sizing, and injecting nanofat. The real value lies in the learning experience. You're not just purchasing instruments, you're gaining exclusive insight from 2 world-renowned experts. Together, this bundle delivers exceptional value compared to purchasing the set and training separately, combining premium education and equipment into one. Don't wait. Click the link below to browse all of our See and Do bundles. Thank you for joining me for this look at the Tonnard Verpaele See and Do Master Bundle from Tulip Medical Products.